How does an unvented heating system work? How does an unvented heating system work? What an unvented heating system does is draw water from the mains. It then heats the water in one of two ways. An indirectly heated system, which is most common, gets heat from an external source, often from a boiler or a solar panel. The hot water then travels through the copper coil in the hot water cylinder, heating the surrounding water without actually mixing with it. A direct cylinder system uses an internal element, often in the form of an immersion heater. This is required for properties which have no access to gas, such as off-the-grid homes. Now, with unvented heating systems, it is actually, as the name implies, not vented to the atmosphere. So what then is required, because it is a pressurized system, would be forms of expansion vessels to take up the expansion of the water as it is heated.